Good day, good people. I just want to tell you now how I got rid of stuttering. I looked online and found Alexander Degilevich, a person who deals with overcoming stuttering. I called him and said, "Help me, buddy, please, I have a big problem. I can't speak normally. In short, I have a lot of anxiety before speaking, and after that anxiety, a freeze starts. And the freeze is such a terrible state. You want to say something, but you can't, and you again want to say it, and again you can't. Again, you want to say it, and you still can't. This can go on forever, basically. It's terrible. Alexander told me that everything would be fine. We'll have a few lessons, and after that, everything will be fine. I didn't believe him at first. Why? Because there are different machines on the internet, people who... He'll just take your money and won't give you any results. Then I told myself, if there are no results, there won't be. And if there are, then I'll be the happiest person in the world. That's how second class clicked. I got speech mistakes. In my mind, something opened up. I already understood my speech mistakes. I told Alexander everything I was doing wrong. I'm playing, and how to do it so that I get it. Good speech. In short, I wanted to tell you that Alexander is really not a fraud. He's a very kind person who knows everything about stuttering. If you have the same problem, don't be afraid. Reach out to Alexander and he will help you too. How he helped me. The main thing is to take the first step, and everything will be fine. I wish you good luck and all the best. Goodbye.